I'm Newscast.
Hi.
We're here to...
Basically stalking me, I guess.
I'm stalking him.
Yeah. So we are actually officially in the theater, and we're seated, and this is very exciting. And that is the empty stage. Yeah, this is really cool. What's this, you ask? Why, it's just a lanyard that says Cricket Feet Casting Actors Showcase. Writer, Eric Loya. Say, that reminds me of last week's Cricket Feet Casting Actors Showcase, where I, Eric Loya, was a writer. I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is the thing where a couple of my sketches got accepted into the showcase, and I was really curious to see how different actors would interpret my words, my thoughts, my sketches. I definitely found that out. For instance, I remember when I was writing one of the sketches called Curious Bus Stop, in my head when I was writing it, it was just about this kind of sleazy guy hitting on this girl at a bus stop using any random pickup line he could possibly think of. For her part, she was basically just ignoring him or pointing out the flaws in his pickup lines. Well, these two actors instead turned it into this sweet, quirky, even cute little relationship. Observe.
Eddie, where are you headed?
Sue, my grandma's. I'm visiting her.
Cool. Old people, I get it.
Okay.
I age backwards. So we should probably just make out.
I have no idea how to respond to that, so I'm just gonna ignore you.
A very big thank you goes out to Sydney Franklin and Lisette Schuster for bringing my world to life just a little bit. Now, the second sketch that I wrote is even more interesting because the entire premise of this one was changed by interpretation of the actors. When I wrote this one, it was about this couple who was about to move in together who decided to lay on the line all of their secrets about themselves so that they could start off with a clean slate before moving on to that next level of their relationship. Instead of that, though, because of these actors, the sketch became, and this is so damn cool, it became a sketch about this guy who was so scared, so nervous, so didn't want to move in with his girlfriend that he decided to lie and make up things about himself, the idea being that it would turn her off enough that he wouldn't have to move in with her. Check it out.
So you're saying yes then?
I'm saying yes.
So then we're really doing this. We're gonna live together. You're gonna move in. That's awesome! No! Woo!
A tremendous thank you goes out to Kat Nevin and Darren Meekin. Thank you guys so much for doing what you do. Now guys, the main thing that I want to talk to you about this week is how much I love acting, how much I love actors. I love the idea that somebody, that I could look at a script, could write a script and look at that script and know exactly the story that's being told, know how to interpret it, know what to do to bring it to life, know how to go about making it realized, and somebody else could look at the exact same script, at the exact same words, and they can know exactly how to bring it to life, what story is being told, exactly how to interpret it, and what to do to realize it. And those two interpretations can be completely different, and neither one of them is wrong. I don't know how else to explain it. I love acting. I love actors. I love that this is the world in which I live. I love that. Okay, that's that. The very last thing that I want to talk to you guys about, and I'm sure you already know, you've probably been keeping tabs, marking your calendars, probably are even hosting a party tonight as we speak, but I'll go ahead and mention it anyway. Today is, as you know, the 26th episode of Eric Wednesday 2.0. Now, assuming, of course, a 52-week year and 4 minutes per episode, that makes this moment right here exactly half